I'm going to show you how exactly you can make an email server without paying any cost for free. And the best part of that is it's very easy to configure. So before starting, I just want to give a brief introduction of Developer Funnel. If you have not yet subscribed this, just subscribe this, as the major focus of this channel is on interview specific topic. I'm trying to pick all those topics which are very much demand in the interview time, or you have to prepare for that. So while going anywhere or whenever your time, just go small videos are there. You can watch and prepare yourself for the interview. So let's begin. So for this email, I'm using a SendGrid as my server. You just sign up on the SendGrid and you will reach to this place. How to set up an application? We'll make a simple folder and I'll make one file, say app.js. Whenever we start working with I say your JavaScript framework, you must have one package.json. How to create it? Just write npm init -y. It will generate one package.json for you. Now, we always have one git ignore so that whenever we push a file to the git, it should not push our node module folder. Make sure guys, if anybody asks in an interview or suppose somebody give you a coding test, never push the node module folder. The fair chance that you might get rejected. So after setting up these three files, we'll go back to SendGrid. It's quite easy to configure. Just click on your name or your profile and there's one setup guide. It's not just about Node.js. You can configure this for any other language also. Now you'll find out that it's say integrate with popular application, integrate with web API, or build and send market campaign. We'll go with the web app. So we'll start our web API. After that, it asks us what language you want to pick, means what's the coding language you prefer. Now it can be any coding language that you can go with. So here I'm going to choose Node.js, but the other options are like Python, Ruby, PHP. I choose Node.js. Now, after that, so let open. Now it says generate one key. Although I'm generating a key, uh, I'm going to show you that key also, but fine, I'm going to delete it later on. I'll say my test key, as simple as that. Once you set up that, you just say create key. And once your key got generated, you have to set some environment variable. Why? Because when my application run, it need to have an environment variable with it. So just copy this command and paste in your terminal. Now what it do? It's going to create one env file with your key. Next, it says just add this key into the git ignore so that we never push that to the git. And all the code I'll make you available through GitHub. After that, just we specify that pick the environment variable from this file. The small setup we did for our key. Next, once you set up that, it say install one package name as npm i --save and sendgrid/email. Once you install this package in your application, one node module folder will appear. After that, it's very simple guys. Now you want to send an email. So in our app.js, we'll just configure a few things here. We already know that what we require as our SendGrid package. Now, to whom you want to send, I'll say I want to send on one email ID. It can be any email ID. Now, on the other side, I'll specify from where I'm sending. I'll say I'm going to send this email through Gmail like this. And then any subject, whatever you want to send, you can send it. And simple, this is a function that you have to call. Once you trigger this function, you will able to send it. Now the point come up, how exactly I'm going to use with React or Angular. It's simple. Just make one API route for this and you can just trigger that API and send the message. So ultimately I can wrap in one say our API route app.post that will take a user the two things, email ID, say sender, receiver, and on the other side you can take your say subject, text, and just trigger that inside the route. Once you expose it as a route over a server, I can consume with Angular or React or Vue or Backbone. If you want to see further, check my GitHub. That code with a route is also available there. So we simply configure this server, right? Now how to run that? Simple go and type node app.js. Once we do that, now it already sent that mail. So let's check our Gmail. Is it we are able to receive on the Hotmail or not? So I'll simply go to my browser and try to open that. I'll open the Hotmail here and we'll see is the email received to us or not. If yes, then it means see, we're able to receive that email. Guys, in hardly less than a 5 minutes, we are able to configure one mail server that will take a three things: to, from, subject, text, and if any kind of HTML. And the best part is you can send like a proper email like this. And that is how we are able to configure one email server with Node.js. The coding link of this code is available in the description, and I recommend everyone to check this channel for more detailed videos specific to interview. And please do let me know if you're looking for some specific topic. Thank you.